This is a demo of Sinopia release 3.17. We'll start in the editor in the stage environment to show you the new features. I'm Callie Matthews, Linked Data Community Outreach Librarian at Stanford Libraries. Our first new feature is an autofill for the work title when creating a work from an instance. So I'm in the PCC BF2 instance monograph template, and I'm going to navigate to the instance of property in order to generate my new work. So I'm going to click on the Create New button and scroll down until I find the template that I want to use. And when I click on it, you'll notice that I've been brought to a new tab, here highlighted in blue, and my title has carried over from the instance to the work. Next, we'll take a look at the questioning authority direct lookup changes. QA lookups have been updated for real-time API lookups and will no longer rely on cache data in most cases. A few cache lookups remain for those vocabularies that could not be transitioned to direct API lookups. I'm going to navigate back to my instance template and show you this using the contribution property. And I'm going to add an agent. I'm going to look up the author, Alan, first. And you'll notice that in the descriptions for each vocabulary, direct has been added to those that are now direct lookups. My author result has appeared. I'm going to click on it. The experience looks very similar to that of the cached experience, but this is now being pulled from via API. New vocabularies have also been added for relationship, note type, and serial publication type. For relationship, I'll navigate to the related manifestation or instance property. And I will add something. And then I'm able to define a relationship to that instance. This vocabulary is coming from id.loc.gov. Next, we'll navigate to note type. And I will add a very simple note. And I can designate a note type from a controlled vocabulary, also coming from ID. And finally, for serial publication type, I will navigate to the serial work template from the PCC and navigate to serial publication type, where I can add a description from the dropdown, whether it's a blog, database, directory, etc. Finally, in this demo, we will cover some UI UX updates, including the Save button and the scroll to top features. The Save button appears in the upper right-hand corner in blue and turns to gray upon saving. And the scroll to top button will allow you to scroll to top. The Save button will no longer automatically scroll you to the top. So this button allows you to jump to the top of the page like so. And that concludes today's demo. Thank you.